Welcome to our introduction of Lindy AI. Today, we're exploring how Lindy AI automates tasks to enhance your work experience. Lindy AI harnesses advanced algorithms and machine learning to understand and execute tasks efficiently. Some of the standout features of Lindy AI include task automation, intelligent scheduling, and insightful analytics. By using Lindy AI, you can save time, reduce errors, and focus on more strategic aspects of your job. Lindy AI excels in industries such as healthcare for patient management, finance for data analysis, and marketing for campaign optimization. Setting up Lindy AI is a breeze, designed to cater to users of all tech levels. It's as simple as a few clicks. It's common to worry about automation, but Lindy AI is here to assist, not replace. Let's address those concerns. As we embrace AI tools like Lindy, we're not just changing our jobs, we're shaping the future of work itself. In conclusion, integrating Lindy AI into your daily tasks can significantly enhance productivity and work satisfaction. Explore what Lindy AI can do for you. Visit our website and see how it can transform your work life.